Upgrade your kitchen with this complete professional granite countertop side installation project. In this detailed step-by-step video, you will watch the full process of installing granite side panels for a kitchen countertop, including measuring, marking, cutting, fitting, leveling, polishing, and creating a precise sink cutout for a clean and elegant final result. This project demonstrates real construction techniques used by professional granite and tile installers to achieve strong, durable, and visually impressive kitchen finishes. The video begins with preparing the kitchen counter structure and checking all measurements carefully before starting the granite installation process. Proper preparation is one of the most important stages in any granite project because accurate dimensions help prevent gaps, uneven joints, installation mistakes, and alignment problems later during fitting. Every angle inside of the countertop must be measured precisely to ensure the granite pieces fit perfectly around the kitchen workspace and sink area. During this tutorial, you will see how granite side panels are positioned carefully along the sides of the kitchen countertop to create a modern and luxurious appearance. Granite installation requires patience, concentration, and attention to detail, especially when working around sink openings and corner connections. Small mistakes during cutting or leveling can affect the entire final appearance, which is why every step shown in this project focuses on precision and professional craftsmanship. One of the most important parts of this installation is the sink cutout preparation. In this video, the sink location is measured accurately before cutting the granite slab to ensure the opening matches the sink dimensions perfectly. Clean sink cutouts improve both functionality and beauty in modern kitchen countertops. You will see practical techniques for marking the cutout lines, cutting carefully without damaging the granite, smoothing the edges, and testing the fit before final installation. The granite cutting process shown in this project demonstrates how to achieve smooth and accurate edges while maintaining the strength of the stone. Cutting granite requires proper tools, steady movement, and careful planning to avoid cracks and chipped edges. The video also shows how to handle difficult sections around corners and sink areas while maintaining clean lines and professional finishing quality. After cutting and preparing the granite pieces, the installation process continues with adhesive application and careful positioning of each granite panel. Strong support and proper bonding are essential for creating a stable kitchen countertop capable of lasting for many years. The granite pieces are adjusted slowly to maintain level surfaces, straight joints, and balanced alignment across the entire countertop structure. Leveling is another critical stage highlighted in this video. Uneven granite installation can create visible defects, water collection areas, and poor finishing quality. This tutorial explains how to check alignment carefully, adjust the granite position, and maintain consistent spacing between all sections. Professional leveling techniques help create a smooth and seamless appearance throughout the kitchen countertop. Installation. The side granite installation gives the kitchen a more complete and premium appearance while also protecting the countertop structure. Granite side panels improve durability, increase resistance against moisture, and create a modern decorative finish suitable for contemporary kitchen designs. In this project, special attention is given to corner alignment, edge finishing, and smooth transitions between all granite sections. The sink opening area receives detailed attention because it is one of the most used parts of the kitchen. Proper granite fitting around the sink helps improve water resistance and prevents future movement or damage. The video demonstrates how careful measurements and accurate cutting help achieve a clean professional sink installation, with balanced spacing and polished finishing around the edges. This video is perfect for people interested in granite countertop installation, kitchen renovation ideas, modern kitchen design, granite sink cutout techniques, granite side panel fitting, countertop edge finishing, professional construction methods, marble and granite craftsmanship, DIY kitchen improvement, ceramic tile installation, countertop leveling techniques, kitchen remodeling inspiration, granite polishing methods, and advanced stone installation projects. Whether you are a beginner learning construction skills or an experienced worker searching for professional installation ideas, this tutorial provides real practical knowledge from an actual kitchen granite installation project. Every stage is shown carefully to help viewers understand the correct workflow used by professional installers on site. The project also demonstrates preparing the kitchen counter before installation, cleaning and leveling the work surface. Measuring granite panels precisely, marking sink opening dimensions, accurately cutting granite using professional methods. Smoothing rough granite edges, testing sink placement before fixing, installing granite side panels, carefully applying adhesive materials, properly aligning granite joints evenly, checking countertop balance and level, polishing and cleaning the finished installation, improving the final kitchen appearance. Granite remains one of the most popular countertop materials because of its durability, elegant appearance, heat resistance, and long lifespan. A properly installed granite countertop can completely transform the appearance of a kitchen while adding strength and value to the home. This project focuses on combining durability with clean, professional finishing techniques for a premium kitchen result. Throughout this video, you will learn useful installation tricks and practical construction tips used daily by skilled granite workers and tile installers. These techniques help reduce installation mistakes, improve finishing quality, and achieve better long-term durability for kitchen countertops and sink areas. If you enjoy watching videos about granite work, marble installation, ceramic tile fitting, terrazzo finishing, sink installation, kitchen countertop construction, cement work, professional renovation techniques, DIY home improvement, construction craftsmanship, kitchen remodeling projects, and detailed installation tutorials, this video will give you valuable ideas and inspiration for your future projects. This kitchen granite project highlights the importance of patience, accurate measurements, and professional finishing methods. The combination of precise sink cutting, smooth granite